Oh. It looks like there's a slight hiccup with your subscription payment, and nobody wants their access cut off. We understand that things happen, and we're here to help you get everything back on track smoothly. The core issue is that we haven't been able to process your latest payment. This could be due to several reasons, such as an expired card, insufficient funds, or a temporary issue with your bank. But here's where it gets controversial. Some people believe that automated payment systems are inherently flawed and prone to these types of errors, while others swear by their convenience. What do you think? To ensure you don't lose access to all the amazing content and benefits your subscription offers, you need to update your payment information as soon as possible. We've already reached out to you a few times to let you know about this, hoping to catch you before any interruption occurs. We value your continued support and want to make this process as easy as possible for you. There are 2 simple ways to update your payment details. Through your account, log into your account on our website, usually labeled My Account or something similar. Navigate to the Billing or Payment Information section. Here, you'll be able to update your credit card details, billing address, or any other relevant payment information. This is generally the preferred method, as it allows you to review all your subscription details. Using the direct link, we've also provided a direct link, often labeled Update Payment Details, in the previous communications we sent you. Clicking this link will take you directly to the payment update page, bypassing the need to navigate through your account. This is the quickest option if you're short on time. Time is of the essence. Your subscription is currently at risk of termination if we don't receive updated payment information. We really don't want this to happen. And this is the part most people miss. Failing to update your payment information promptly can lead to not only a loss of access but also potential late fees or reinstatement charges, depending on our subscription policy. To reiterate, if you don't update your payment details via My Account, or by clicking Update Payment Details, your subscription will be automatically terminated. We understand that losing your subscription can be frustrating, especially if you enjoy the content and services we provide. We encourage you to take action now to avoid any disruption. Do you prefer managing your subscriptions through a dedicated app, or are you happy with website-based management? What are your biggest frustrations with subscription services in general? Let us know in the comments below. We value your feedback and are constantly working to improve your experience.